Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and sync contacts on Instagram. So it is very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button right up here. And then at the top right you need to click on the three lines button, and then you need to click on the first one option, Accounts Center. In this list of options, you need to find your information and permissions right up here, and then click on the upload contacts button. Here it is. After that, you need to choose your Instagram account, and then you need to enable this option, Connect Contacts. So enable this, if this option is disabled, you need to enable it. So after that, you can go back, go to your following list. And for example, here you will see all your followings. You can actually click on the search bar and then find other people that you have just added as your contacts on Instagram. So and that's all, and that's how to find and sync contacts on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.